So the hair's giving jet black, very full, bust down, middle part, fresh blowout. Definitely had to use the boho, of course. 2 layers, that's it, period. Y'all know we definitely always use thin layers because you want that lace to, grab it. And then I'll put it this far down because I want it to snatch my face. Curls very much popping, the waves go crazy. Look how that lace just melts in that glue. So you got to make sure it's very, very, very thin. You feel me? That chinky eye is getting snatched. Hey. The finish. Ooh, what? Yeah, catch it. Yeah, yeah,